Welcome to Right Choose.
Top 4 Best Vacuum Cleaners in 2025.
Top 1.
Dyson Gen 5 Detect Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, Purple/Purple, Large. The most powerful HEPA cordless vacuum. Superscript 1. Over 115% more power. Superscript 270 minutes of runtime. Superscript 3. Power button operated for continuous cleaning. Intelligently adapts power based on debris and floor type detected. Bars on the screen grow and shrink in real time according to the volume of particles removed as you clean, showing you when to move to another area. The LCD screen displays a summary of how much dust you have picked up at the end of each clean. Also displays power mode, maintenance alerts, and remaining runtime to the second.
Top 2.
Bissell BigGreen Commercial BGCC 28 Extra Wide Vacuum Cleaner, 28 Cleaning Path, 36.5 height, 29 length, 36 width. 28 Wide Area Vacuum Cleaner with 5/8 horsepower, 8.5 amp universal motor. Is bigger than typical upright vacuums and better suited for cleaning large spaces. Handle adjusts to 5 height positions for comfort and safety. Lowering the brush roller low enough to the carpet will pick up the dirt. Brush rolls turn at 3,500 RPM. Chevron bristle pattern moves debris toward vacuum inlet for cleaning, folds for storage. Extruded roller brush enables vacuuming under furniture and in other hard-to-reach places. Fold down handle.
Top 3.
Miele HX2 Cordless Stick Vacuum, Infinity Gray Pearl Finish. Outstanding cleaning performance. Trifolks HX2 Pro Stick Vacuum, equipped with innovative digital efficiency motor, is Miele's most powerful vacuum cleaner, made in Germany. Patented 3-in-1 design. Configure your vacuum 3 convenient ways to clean hard floors, carpets, furniture and even hard-to-reach spots like ceilings or below furniture. Up to 120-minute runtime. 2 replaceable Varta Li-ion batteries with 2 charging options, for uninterrupted cleaning of large areas. Additional accessories include additional charger and accessory holder.
Top 4.
Dyson V15S Detect Submarine Wet Dry Vacuum, Yellow/Nickel. Dyson Deep Cleaning Power now washes hard floors. All in one machine. Advanced Dyson vacuum technology provides 100% more power. Superscript 1 and up to 60 minutes of runtime. Superscript 2. Fluffy optic cleaner head reveals 2x more hidden dust on hard floors. Superscript 3 Digital motor bar cleaner head deep cleans all floor types and detangles hair. Submarine cleaner head washes hard floors and removes the wet and dry debris simultaneously. The Submarine cleaner head's motorized wet roller picks up liquids, debris and tough stains, which are continuously extracted from the roller with each rotation. Washes with clean water from start to finish.
Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe.